Hi, I'm Joe from Annexe Solutions. Behind me is our Annexe setup, shade walls and awnings. Let me show you how we put this together. So we've got the windows in the long walls. They're quite wide. So the easiest way to roll these up is to just bring the zippers up. Again, putting them all the way up, bringing them out. Now, you can either have these rolled up or you can have these out as an awning if you want to. So there's eyelets here and there's the ladder system. So you can put a pole onto it, you can have that out as an awning if you want to. Now, an easy way to roll this up by yourself is to fold, and then roll in the middle. So instead of trying to do them arms apart like this that you can't roll, you just keep rolling up, bringing it down, pulling it out at the same time, and just rolling all the way up. And then you've got your Velcro tabs underneath, then they will Velcro up onto there. So we've got on the bottom of each Annexe wall, we've got this ladder system. So the ladder systems are there so you can peg down to different heights if you run an uneven surface. So basically on this one here, we've got a little bit of a gradual climb down on the ground down here. So this one here, we can peg down to the middle. So the peg will go through the ladder, then straight in, and then that'll peg that down. If you're on a height that's a little bit higher, you can peg down to the top, to the middle, or to the bottom as well. So we use either pegs like this. Now the other system that we've got is a screw system. We have a washer and then a screw peg. That'll go through there. Then that will slide into the ladder. Then once that's screwed in, that'll pull that down nice and neatly. Okay, so at the center of the end walls, we have this bracket here. So what it is, it's a pole support bracket. So what we do is we squeeze the bracket together, slide it into the anti-flap kit. Then once that's in, we get our pole. That'll open up. That'll slide into the hole. Tighten that up. And then you've got your Velcro tabs in the center of the wall. And they will Velcro on there. So you got the center, you got the top one as well, and you got one on the bottom as well.